If you want to remove a green screen from a photo in Photopea, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end, and don't skip any part, because every step is important. Removing a green screen allows you to make the background transparent and place your subject on a different background. So let's get started. If this video helps you remove the green screen in Photopea, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open Photopea in your web browser. Now, click File and select Open. Next, select the image with the green screen from your computer. Once your image is opened, look at the Layers panel on the right side. Now, make sure your image layer is selected. Next, go to the Select menu at the top. From the menu, choose Remove BG if available. Photopea will automatically try to remove the background from your image. If the green background is not removed perfectly, you can use the Magic Wand tool to select the remaining green areas. Select Magic Wand tool from the left menu. Now, click on the green background with the Magic Wand tool. Adjust the tolerance if needed so you can select the green area more accurately. Once the green background is selected, press Delete on your keyboard. Continue selecting and deleting any remaining green areas around your subject. When you are happy with the result, you should see a transparent background around your subject. Finally, click File, select Export As, and choose PNG to keep the transparent background.